Everybody, so this video is for if you are someone who is quarantining, and if you ever have to quarantine in the future, this is what you do if you're gone, to stay caught up for class if you're able to. So here is Google Classroom. Even if you're not in third hour, all of my Google Classrooms look the same. So we'll just click over here on classwork, and you'll find all of the different weeks posted here. School, we're going to work in week 3. So I'm going to go to the week 3 playlist, because that's where we're going to find all of our information for what we do this week. You'll go ahead and click on that. And then this is where you are. So again, just in week 3, click on the playlist here. All right, so in this playlist, you know that you're in the correct week because you can see week 3, and then it has the date range. So like if you know you were gone on September 8th, for example, you look and it's like, okay, this is for the 7th through the 10th. So that'll help you figure out which playlist to be on. The learning goals are posted here. For the learning goals, everything in the must-dos help us with this information. They help us achieve these goals. Down here, you'll see the vocabulary for that week, and you can just look up these words on your own, and you can also look up the morphemes in the words, which are in bold. So we have one prefix here, one suffix, and another prefix, and you can look up those definitions because that'll be part of your vocabulary. And then as you look over here, we have our must-dos for each day. So these are the things we must do each day. So Monday, there was no school. We were all not here because it was Labor Day. Tuesday, it says book me write-up day in the library. Okay, cool. So what's that mean? So here, when you see that something's posted for us to do that day on Tuesday that we must get done, you can go back over to your Google Classroom. And what I'll usually do is if there's something posted in here for a must do, I try and name it pretty similarly in Google Classroom. So this book me write up, if we go over to Classroom, there's book me write up. So it gives instructions on what to do for that. It gives you an example and a rubric. So you can do that from home. So that's how you navigate that there. Same thing for Wednesday, we did practice 5 W's and H with Newsella and close reads. So here, and I even posted a video for this day because I was gone. So instructions here, an instructional video, I'll post those sometimes, and then the Newsella document that you worked in. Okay, and that one's called must do for September 8th. So again, we're must do, and it's Wednesday the 8th. Here it said writing workshop. Because I wasn't here, we actually ended up doing that on Thursday, but you'll notice that nowhere over here does it say writing workshop, right? So if it's in the playlist but it's not posted in Classroom, that means it's something that we just did in class. And sometimes I'll do an instructional video for those if I have time. Other times I won't. And so for those things, that's something maybe you just want to like write down to mention to me when you get back, just to talk about what we went over in class that day. So if it's not in Classroom and it's not linked here, then it's something that we did in class that day. So that helps you figure that out there. Thursday, continue 5 W's and H practice. It's called the same thing here in Classroom. So materials and assignment are posted. Instructions are in Newsella. So that's stuff that you guys can just do at home, which is really nice. And I try and do most things that way, where you can just do it at home. Here Friday, it's the article quiz and summary. So in this assignment here for Newsella, it's about police helping hungry kids in Kansas City. For that day, I would have went in and I would have done the summary here and the quiz here. So that's what we would have done for that day. And then we also would have done first chapter Friday and reflected on the week's topic, which was hunger, and just asked about, is this the biggest problem in the world? What do you think? Yes or no? Give some reasons, and we would have saved that and put that in your packet. Now, again, this isn't posted in Classroom. in week 3. So that's something we did in class. First Chapter Friday isn't posted in classroom because that's something that we did for fun in class. So if you find yourself having extra time to work on stuff because you can't do it at home, then you can always come and click on any of these may do assignments that we went over the first day of school and spend some time on those as well. Okay, so that's how you work from home while you're quarantined. And I know that sometimes when we're quarantined, we can't. And I completely understand that. And of course, like if that's the situation, you can come talk to me and we can talk about how or if you need to make up the work that you missed. But please just try and communicate with me while you're gone. You can always get on your Gmail account and send an email to me and I'll try and get back to you. I try and check that regularly. So I can't wait for you to be back in school. I hope you all stay well, but I hope this video helps you if you're needing to work from home. Okay, that's it. Have a wonderful day.